Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we're going to revisit an illustration that we have done a couple of days ago, and those were the constellations, and we used two different methods to create them. The native method and the one using the plugin. And the native method had these issues with the angles, so in this case I have moved around the corner points to get the angles I need so that we have points at all the anchors. And using this method you can actually have the points in different sizes, and you get that using the width tool. So I'm going to select it, and then you can just drag out the width handles to size them differently like this. So just like that, you can have them in different sizes. Of course, you would also need to apply that to the stroke below that. So let's go to the appearance panel. And then what we can do is select this. Then we have this width profile up here, and you can save it. And then we can go to the stroke below that and apply this width profile. We need to increase that stroke weight here, and that is needed so that we get the gaps that we want to have between the dots and the lines. With this solution that uses the plugin, we cannot get differently sized points. They all have the same size. But we can do something else here. And again, I'm using the appearance panel. And then we go to this fill up here. And then let's take a look at gradients. So there we have the gradient panel. And here we can apply gradients and have them look like actual stars. And both of these extra things you can do with those drawings, they are not interchangeable. You cannot have those gradients in this, and you cannot have the differently sized points in the other one, which is kind of interesting and of course might matter for your choice of methods.